So I've done several reviews of massage guns so far, and I've made several videos on massage guns and how to use them properly. But I have a kind of question I want to ask you guys before you actually buy a massage gun, and that is, do you actually need a massage gun? Because a lot of people come to me asking what massage gun they should get, if I'd recommend X, Y, Z, etc. And I don't think a lot of people understand what the purpose of a massage gun is, and if you actually really even need one. So I'm gonna go into that a little bit today. So first off, what is a massage gun used for? And what do most people buy it for? The first thing I would say most people buy massage guns for are for pain relief. This is the number one use of massage guns, but people are a little confused about this topic. So massage guns are great for pain relief because they provide what's called myofascial relief, which essentially they're loosening all these tight muscles and joints, etc. if you massage in the right places. A lot of these stresses and tensions are built up from everyday life or sports, etc. And percussion machines do typically what your hands can't do. A lot of people are confused because they think this is going to solve all their problems in terms of lower back pain, shoulder pain, upper back pain, etc. Massage guns aren't intended to be a long-term solution. On the other hand, they're actually more of a short-term solution. So a lot of people go into buying massage guns thinking it's going to fix X, Y, or Z, when in actuality, it just solves that problem for the short term, and then that kind of comes back. So before you buy a massage gun, just understand that it's a short-term solution, and if you want the long-term solution, physical therapy or exercise, etc., is going to be your savior. Next up, what people use massage guns for, or what I use massage guns for, is for active recovery. So if you had like a hard workout the day before, or you trained really hard the day before, massage guns can actually stimulate a lot of blood flow towards your muscles, joints, etc., allowing you to recover faster from certain things like soreness or joint pain or stiffness, etc. Massage guns and other types of myofascial relief are really good at that. So if you are going to buy a massage gun for pain relief or for active recovery, then I would recommend doing so, because this is not something you can replicate with your hands, like I said, or a foam roller or other things like that. Now, if you are an athlete, I 100% think you should have a massage gun regardless of what level of sport you play, simply because they are very affordable now. A good massage gun can cost you around only $100, and it's a really good investment because then you don't have to go see a massage therapist or something like that. So if you are an athlete, I would say you absolutely need a massage gun, simply because it allows you to do what you're usually not able to do. Now, if you're just an everyday normal person and you're looking to buy a massage gun and you understand the fact that massage guns aren't a long-term solution, then, just go for it. Like I said, it's a good investment, and you can't honestly go wrong with most of the massage guns out there on the market. So those are my kind of clearing up some misconceptions about the massage guns and a little bit about that. But yeah, anyways, if you like this video, please do like and subscribe, because this channel features a lot of things like martial arts tricking and physical therapy and massage gun videos. Anyways, that's it for me today. I'll see you guys later. Peace.